Here we have an exponential equation and we have to solve for x in this exponential equation. Okay, in my first step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the square root we have on the left side. For that, what I need to do is I have to square both sides. Okay, let me do it. Square root of 3 to the power of square root of x the whole square equals to 3 to the power of 1 over square root of x the whole square. Okay, I have squared both sides. On the left side, the square root and square over here will cancel out, and I'm getting 3 to the power of square root of x and equals to, on the right side, we have 3 to the power of 1 over square root of x whole power 2. Okay, now let's consider the power of a power rule in exponent. That is, let's consider the base a and let's consider exponent m for this base a, and for the whole stuff here to the mth power, again we can consider the exponent n. So whenever we have two exponents like this, what we can do is we can multiply the two exponents, that is a to the power m times n. So the same thing I can do over here. So here we have base 3 and the exponent 1 over square root of x, and for the complete stuff we have the exponent 2. So whenever we have two exponents like this, we can multiply the two exponents using the power of a power rule. Then I'm getting 3 to the power 1 over square root of x times this exponent 2 over here. Okay, so 3 to the power of square root of x equals to 3 to the power of. So when I multiply a fraction and an integer, always we have to multiply the numerator of the fraction by the integer. So 1 times 2 is 2 divided by square root of x. Here, two terms are equal with the same base. Whenever two terms are equal with the same base, what we can do is we can equate the exponents over here. Then I'm getting square root of x equals to 2 over square root of x. Okay, now to solve for x, I have to get the square root of x in the denominator on the right side. For that, I multiply both sides by square root of x. So when I multiply both sides by square root of x, so here on the left side, I'm getting square root of x times square root of x. So square root of x times square root of x will become just x. And here the square root of x and square root of x will cancel out, and we have 2. So I have solved for x. The value of x is 2.